Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So in today's lecture, we will discuss about geometric progression, or you can call it as GP. So what geometric progression is, students? Here it is A, AR, AR square up to AR power n minus 1. So you can see this is the first term being, or you can say A equal first term of GP, and here R is common ratio. Common ratio, why it is called as common ratio? Because when you will see that this is the first, this is second, this is third term, okay, so it is nth term. So what you will see here, like that in of AP, there is a common difference, here is a common ratio, means I can say A2 by A1 means second term by first term is a constant, or you can say this is called as common ratio R, because it is the ratio of two terms, so that is why it is called as common ratio. So you can check between any two consecutive terms, which is like A3 by A2, which will be also R. Okay. So in this way, students, a GP is defined which is having a common ratio. So the formula for nth term of GP will be AR to power n minus 1. Okay. So in this way you can write the general term of the GP. Okay. So let's say, now let me tell you about the sum of n terms of GP is. Okay, so we need to find out the sum of n terms, means A plus AR plus up to dash 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 up to AR to power n minus 1. Okay, so if R equal 1, what we will get is Sn is equals to A plus up to A n times, so it will be n times A. Case 2, this was case 1 when R equal 1. Now case 2 when R not equal 1. So multiplying this by R, so what we will get is Rsn is equals to AR plus AR square up to all the terms, and the last term will be ARn. So subtracting equation, this is equation 1, let's say this is equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from 2, then we will get a relation between Sn is A1 minus R to power n upon 1 minus R if R is less than 1, or Sn is equals to A times R to power n minus 1 upon R minus 1 if R is greater than 1. Okay students, I hope that you are pretty clear about how to find the value of Sn. So simply after subtracting, all the terms got cancelled out up to this. So what we will left with, Rsn minus Sn is equals to Arn minus A. So taking Sn common, what we will left with, R minus 1, A common, Rn minus A. So this comes in the denominator. So from here we are getting this relation. This is for R greater than 1. So in case when R will be less than 1, when you will put 1 by R, so this will be the relation what we will be getting. So student, these are two very important formulas to find out the sum of n terms of GP. So I hope that you guys will remember it. Now in the next lecture, student, we will discuss some questions based on GP. Okay, so stay tuned for next lecture on some questions based on GP. Okay, and there we will also, and in the next lecture we will discuss a relation between arithmetic mean and the geometric mean. Okay, so stay tuned for next lectures. Thank you. Happy learning.